If you're craving a healthy and delicious snack that will keep you full and not drag you down, I've got the recipe for you. These no-bake pumpkin energy bites deliver the festive flavors of fall along with some healthy fats and fiber to help fuel your day. They're also really easy to make as we're mixing all of our ingredients in a bowl, forming them into balls and refrigerating them. That's all there is to it. Here's the recipe. Start with a large bowl to mix all of your ingredients in. Add 2 cups of old-fashioned whole rolled oats. Add 1/4 cup of chia seeds. You can swap these out for hemp seeds or flax seeds if you prefer. Add 2 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Add 1/2 cup of 100% pure pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie mix, as those are loaded with sugar. Add 1/4 cup of peanut butter. If you want to use a different type of nut butter like cashew butter, feel free to use that instead. Add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. And finally, a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until it's fully combined. These are optional, but you can add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips or some nuts if you want more of a crunch for your energy bites. Take out a baking pan or a large enough plate to place your energy bites on. I'm using a baking pan with parchment paper here. Using your hands or a cookie scoop, take about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons worth of your mixture and place it on the pan. Repeat this process until you're out of your mixture. I was able to make 12 with this recipe. Spray your hands with a bit of oil, then take one of your bites and carefully roll them into the shape of a ball. If they feel a bit brittle and want to fall apart, do your best to press everything together so they stick together. They will firm up once they're in the fridge. Once you're done rolling them into balls, place them in the fridge for about an hour. Then you're set to serve your no-bake pumpkin energy bites. As you saw, they're really easy to make and a much healthier snack compared to the store-bought snacks that are loaded with preservatives and additives. If you want to make a larger batch for more people, you can double the ingredient amounts in this recipe. These will last for about a week in the fridge, so you could double the ingredient amounts in this recipe to make enough to last you the entire week if you'd like. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.